Have you ever wondered why buying an extended warranty on a new car purchase, when it comes with a warranty, would be of any value? We have Sally Turco here from Warranty Contracts, who's going to help us understand how and why it would be a benefit to buy at the time of a new purchase. Sally, can you help us with that?
What makes the benefit outstanding is the time that you purchase a vehicle and purchasing the warranty. You would have the benefits of roadside assistance, tire breakage, rental, other things that you might not have from the manufacturer. And this will buy down the price. It will be the best cost-effective time that you can purchase it.
So you're not only taking better care of your car and your asset with the added value inside of an extended warranty, but when you're saying the price is a little bit better, I guess if you're looking to purchase after that car has been on the road and maybe not as well taken care of, is that it's going to be more costly to make a purchase after that new part purchase.
Absolutely. The price of the contract will rise as the time and miles increase on the vehicle.
Wow, and we're all looking to save money and making sure at the end of the day that asset can be sold for its best dollar. And by protecting it right up front can serve you well. And if you want to find out more about this, go to www.warrantycontracts.com and speak to Sally and her team about how you can protect your assets.